First, grab our yarn and make a slip knot. Then make a chain that's long enough to wrap around your body. Because this is a beginner level tutorial, I intend to make it really easy and simple. We're not going to do any increase or decrease for the body part. It's just going to be one size from top to bottom. So if you want this top to be loose, I would suggest you to take your under bust or even bust measurement. If you want it to be tight, then take a waist measurement. So once you've done that, connect it back to the first chain. Run your finger along the chain, make sure it's not twisting. Insert a hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch. Then chain 3 as the first double crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, we're going to first yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over again, pull through 2. In the next stitch, make one more double crochet. Yarn over, insert our hook, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So we're going to keep working one double crochet into every stitch. Keep making double crochets, and I'll meet you up when you've double crocheted your way back around. Then we're going to connect it to the first chain 3 with a slip stitch. That completes round 1. Round 2, chain 3. In the next stitch, work a double crochet but only in the back loop. So for this round, one double crochet into every stitch, back loop only. Come back around, slip stitch in the chain 3, and complete round 2. Next round, chain 3 again, and repeat the same process. So basically, that's what we're gonna do for the body part. I did 22 rounds, but you can work as many rounds as you like. And then fasten off. For the drawstring, chain up 120, about 30 inches. Fasten off. Then we're just gonna weave it in through the joining stitch. For this part, you can either use a hook or a yarn needle. For the strap, try on your top and mark where you want your straps to be. Next, we're going to attach our yarn. The marked stitch is going to be the middle stitch of the strap. I'm going to make my strap 5 stitch wide. So I insert my hook in the stitch that's 1 stitch away from the stitch marker. This time, we're going to chain 2 as the first double crochet so that the sides of the strap is nice and tight. Work 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches under both loops. Chain 2 and turn your work. From the second stitch, work 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Chain 2 and start the next row. Work your strap as long as you want it to be. I did 15 inches. Then we're gonna do 2 rows of decreasing to finish off this end. Chain 1 and turn. Work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, but only pull through 2 once. Straight into the next stitch, work a double crochet and pull through 2 once. Then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. We have 3 stitches for this row. Last row, chain 1 and turn. In the middle stitch, work a double crochet, pull through 2 once. A double crochet in the next stitch. Pull through 2. And then pull through 3. Fasten off and repeat the exact same steps for the other 3 straps. Weave in all the ends and we're done.